In this video, I'm going to show you how to book a road test in Alberta. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so before booking, you need to confirm your eligibility for the class of license you're pursuing. So for class 5, which basic, you must be at least 16 years of age and have held a class 7 learner's license for at least 1 year and be suspension free for that past year. For a class 6 motorcycle, you must be at least 16 years of age and have a class 7 license. Class 1, 2 or 3 commercial additional requirements may apply, including medical examinations, and also ensure your vehicle meets safety standards, including functioning lights, brakes, horn, seat belts, and it's properly registered and insured too. Step 2, we need to gather required information. So you'll need a motor vehicle identification number, MVID. It's a 9-digit number found near the barcode on your Alberta driver's license, a valid credit card for payment, and a vehicle for the test. So ensure it's mechanically sound, registered, and insured. And now we need to go ahead and book the road test. So we can book via this official website here of Alberta. Or option 2, we can do it in person. So we can visit a local registry agent to book your test. This is required if you're eligible for a seniors discount. So now from here, if we want to book a passenger vehicle class 5 or 6 road test, click here. And we can also look at the driver's road test page for more information about the new road test models. And now the government of Alberta will continue to deliver commercial vehicle class 1 to 3 road tests. So book and manage your commercial vehicle road test appointment online on this site or in person at the Alberta Registry office. So depending which one, click which one. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click here. Now you'll be taken to this page where it says book a passenger vehicle road test. If we scroll down, you can see an overview here and commercial vehicle road test. You can book a test here. So now quick overview, passenger vehicle road test class 4 to 6 are delivered by private driver examiners through Alberta Registry agents. To book a passenger vehicle road test class 4 or 6 appointment, use the map below to find a registry office near you that is offering road testing services. Once you found a registry, follow the link to that registry's online booking website. So if we scroll down here, it gives you a detailed overview of this registry map. So only registries that have decided to offer road tests will be shown on this map below here. So if we zoom in, we can see a few more. Or we can apply some filters, have this in list form if you like, or you can even filter. So now once you've found your place where you want to book your road test, we need to understand the fees and discounts. So the fees vary depending on the class of license and registry agent. And also if you're a senior, Albertans age 65 or older are eligible for a 25% discount on road test fees. To qualify, you must book in person at a registry office though. And now the last step is prepare for your test. So as I said earlier, ensure your vehicle is in good working condition with all lights, brakes and all that stuff functioning properly. Otherwise you won't be able to go through with that test. And bring your driver's license, proof of registration and insurance. And arrival time, so arrive at least 30 minutes before your scheduled test. You don't want to arrive late.